Who are we? What inspires us? Inspiration brings us infinite joy. Joy of being given this opportunity to help the communities and to learn from them. The joy that our girls feel when they learn new things at school and feel confident of taking on any challenges that come their way. We believe that when technology meets empathy, great things can be achieved. Grameen builds on the pioneering work in developing the microcredit model that demonstrated how convenient access to small collateral-free loans can help change the lives of the poor and lift them out of poverty. At Grameen, we have already impacted 1.3 million people by working with low-income communities, especially women, by empowering them with skills, knowledge, and information on health and nutrition. By leveraging digital platforms to connect low-income people to infinite opportunities. By working with microfinance institutions, banks, agribusinesses, and social impact organizations to help people build assets, deal with crisis, and manage risk. We build trust and confidence amongst the invisible people that they have an identity, that they are welcome to participate, and that they have a voice and a choice. With a commitment to diversity, inclusion, and gender equality, we celebrate the innovativeness and entrepreneurial spirit of diverse Grameenis who over the past decade have worked on complex technology solutions and analyzed deep data so that women in rural areas can have simple solutions to manage their lives. We celebrate the Grameen Mitras who, with their patience, grit, and ambition, wow us every single day. Come join us as we celebrate our family, our partners, beneficiaries, and the Grameeni in all of us.
Congratulations on your 10th anniversary.
Congratulations, Prabhat, and the entire team.
I feel so proud that I was associated with Grameen Foundation for 2 years in their journey of changing people's life, especially women, making them financially inclusive so that they can take charge of their own lives.
I still remember the initial days when we were looking at starting Grameen Foundation in India along with Chandni and Jennifer. And it's been such an incredible journey. I remember the microfinance crisis and then the boom and then again the bust during the COVID crisis. I mean, each area, each era has been just dramatic, and yet you guys have hung in there and just continue to focus on the customer, continue to focus on real impact.
From the groundbreaking early work that GFI did in understanding women's account usage and how to better scale their digital access to financial services, to the Jobs Conference and the work they're doing now to reach rural communities, I've always been proud to be a part of Grameen Foundation India.
The team of Grameen Foundation are very dedicated, committed, and caring. They understand the problems of the poor very well and are committed to cause of poverty alleviation.
I was deeply impressed by the commitment of Grameen Foundation to promote fair practices, customer protection, and especially the HR practices within microfinance institutions.
It is amazing to see that one organization managed to attract so many wonderful and passionate people.
It was a very nice learning experience for me working with Grameen Foundation India. I enjoyed the 1 year that I worked with people there, not just learning about microfinance and the situation in India, but also about healthy salads and other kinds of chutneys and pickles.
I wish them well in the next decade. I can't wait to see the exciting programming they have in store.
Keep it up and all the best.